click on sign up. Create a new account, you need to click on sign up. Then you'll be asked either to join as a client or as a freelancer. You'll pick on joining as a freelancer. There are three options for signing up. You can sign up either by using your Apple account or your Google account, or you can use an email. Then you fill in the details manually. So we'll try out with one account. Let's say sample. And our email for, so you'll need an email to create the account. You need an email. So let's say this one. So you'll click on create an account. You can save the password or not save the password. For me, I'll save the password for easy use later on. So your account will be created. And this window will pop up saying that you've successfully created your account, and you need to verify it in your email that you are actually creating this account. So I'll need to go to my email. Let's say Gmail, my inbox. So Upwork has sent me an email. Verify email, try again. So the email is verified now. Congratulations, your account is verified, redirected. So let's wait for it to redirect. So you just click on get started. For me, I'll pick that, yes, I've freelanced for several years. I'll click on to get experience so I can find a full-time job. So on this one, you click as I'd like to find opportunities myself. Then next, you create your profile. Wait for it to load. You can import your profile from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume, then it will fill in most of the details manually, but you can just fill it out. So I'm going to show you the manual way. Click on add your experience. Under experience, if for instance you're joining with the desire to work as an SEO copywriter, and advise that you add work experiences that relate to writing. For instance, you need to add at least, let's say, 3 experiences for your account to be approved. So let's say can add maybe I worked as an SEO for a company. Let's say I worked for last time. It's a company in Kenya. It's located in Nairobi. And I can mark as I currently work with the company because I'm still working with the company. So I started around January 2017. Okay. So I'll save that as the first work experience. I'll save another work experience. I worked with another company as a software writer. I'll save that. Next, I'll save another work experience. Let's say I'm an SEO writer and save. So I've saved 3 work experience. Those are enough. We'll move next to adding education. For instance, you can add maybe a course you took online, or maybe your education qualification in your local school. For instance, you can write, I took a course with SAFA. So it's not degree there, field of study. You can say SEO writing. SEO writing. So I'll fill in the information and save. Also took another course with HubSpot and learned content marketing. Save. Next, you need to choose a language. For me, I'll choose, you can choose conversational, fluent, or native. You can also add a language, like in my case, I'll add Swahili. Level, put it at native, and save. Your skills. So you'll pick on skills that are related to what you'd like to do. So I can add in copywriting. I can also just type the name writing to see which keywords pop up related to writing. Blog writing, and the writing 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these ones I know. To begin with, to get your account to be approved, you don't need to write so much about the overview. You can just write a few words, but the account will be approved. For instance, then I'm gonna save this. This is enough to get your account approved, but you can always improve that one later. I'm gonna pick on a category. For my case, it's writing, and I'll pick a subcategory. It's content writing and copywriting, but you can always pick other categories that are suitable for you and subcategories. Then I'll save to add in my rate. For a beginning, and I can put the rate at $25 an hour and save. Then I'll need to add in a professional image. You can focus on the head, on your face and the shoulder, little bit of the shoulder. Then you save. Make sure you add a professional image so that Upwork approves it. Then you're gonna save your city. Let's say mine is Nairobi. Then you can also add your phone number. Let's say, for example, then check your profile. Your profile will be ready. So you'll be asked to either submit it or edit any parts you feel you'd like to edit. But for my case, I think it's ready. Check through, see if it's gonna get approved. I think I've answered most of the questions, so I believe Upwork will approve this profile. So I'll submit it for approval. Let's see the results. That's how you create a new account and get it approved. That's easy. Let's see